and see what we get. Ooh, I can unzip the mystery. Welcome back to O'Reilly friends. Today we're gonna unbox Papa Joe Play-Doh, a box of mystery. It's Play-Doh Mysteries, Papa Joe theme. Let's open this up. Ooh, I can unzip the mystery. I knew this is gonna be pink. Wait, where's everything else? It's just Play-Doh. The thing that was just in the box was Play-Doh and a mold.
So what were they?
Play-Doh and a mold. I thought it was gonna show a character and 2 and 3 surprise boxes.
That's why it's a mystery. Can you open the dough and see if it's in good condition?
Okay. Oh, it's sticky. But it's still a pink. Whoa. I told you! Oh my gosh, it's Sky. I told you it came with the... Maybe... Wow. Wait, Sky's... Sky!
You got Sky!
I knew I was gonna get a girl.
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
I'm happy.
How happy?
Wait, and there's a flower mold.
Whoa, really?
Really?
Were you not disappointed?
I was not. I was surprised. I knew it was the Play-Doh that was the secret compartment. I told you. Let's take out all of this Play-Doh. I'll put it in the container so it won't dry. And let's fix up Sky. Dry Sky. And the Play-Doh, the Play-Doh, the Play-Doh. Play-Doh was in the good foundation. In the box was the Play-Doh itself. 2 Play-Doh, light pink and dark pink. As soon as I opened the box, the objects came out. 2 pink shades and 1 little clown. And then I opened up the dark pink, and there, the dark pink surprise box. Sky. Ta-da. Underneath is a mold of a flower. Goes up. Hi, Sky. Hey. Let's see what happens when we open the light pink. What is it? What is it gonna be? Stick. Can you open it up, please, Mom? I need help. The box also comes with a manual. Moment of truth. Oh, look, there's even a badge. It comes with a badge mold and her airplane mold. Wow. Stuck in the dough. Why is the dough always on the top?
Make it a surprise, of course.
Crazy. I didn't know it comes with a badge. It's the stickiest dough. This is the stickiest dough. Sticky dough. Let's clean this off the mold. Ta-da! Maybe these are the 3 surprises. There's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the box, you get 1 character of the Papa Joe show, 1 Sky, and 2 Play-Doh compound, and 3 molds. The 3 molds are a cloud because Sky flies up in the high sky. Badge is my favorite mold. There's the badge, and then here is her helicopter. Wow, helicopter. I'm so happy that I got my favorite color in the box. All the pups support each other. And Sky is the one who flies up in the sky. That's how she got her name. Ooh, this helicopter looks so cool. Play-Doh is a favorite among kids. We love to create with these. And did you know Play-Doh wasn't made to play with?
What is it made for then?
Cleaning. The inventor made it for cleaning, not playing. And then when the climate changed, when the times changed a little, the Play-Doh changed with it.
Oh.
I'll make a ball for Sky to play with. Play-Doh is a very good learning tool. I love unboxing toys. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll be Sky. Who will you be, Marshall or the leader? As soon as I opened it, plop, went out Sky. Let's talk about color.
What makes pink?
Well, red and white. Because white makes red a little bit lighter and turns it to pink.
I see.
Then what makes white? How did white appear in the world?